This is a great day, not just for the people standing behind me and all persons who want to have a same-sex marriage or have their marriage recognized. It's a great day for their children. And more importantly, although there may be some who disagree now, I'm sure they will not eventually, this is a great day for the state of Indiana.
Same-sex couples are rejoicing tonight after a monumental decision by the U.S. Supreme Court. They are now free to marry legally in the state of Indiana.
The justices did not comment in rejecting appeals from Indiana, Oklahoma, Utah, Virginia, and Wisconsin. The court's order immediately ends delays on same-sex marriage in all of those states. We have live team coverage tonight on what many are calling a historic decision. RTV6's Katie Hines is live at a celebration with supporters of same-sex marriage. Chris Prophet is live downtown with details on what this means for couples hoping to marry. We start tonight with Katie.
Raphael, the decision comes as a shock to many tonight. Supporters of same-sex marriage had expected to take their case straight to the Supreme Court, but instead they are celebrating tonight here at the Indy Fringe Theater, setting up after a landmark day for a party called Love Wins.
Same-sex marriage is now legal in Indiana and is required to be legal by the United States Constitution. There is nothing that can be done by way of an Indiana constitutional amendment or Indiana law to alter that fact. This is over, and same-sex marriage is now a reality.
Same-sex couples are celebrating after the U.S. Supreme Court cleared the way for gay marriage in Indiana.
Today is a wonderful thing because the law did what the law is supposed to do, and that's to treat everybody equally.
Rob McPherson and Stephen Stolen described the last year as a roller coaster ride. The pair has been together for 27 years and married in California in 2008. For the first time, the men will be able to share the same benefits as other married couples.
We were legal in 2008 in California, then we weren't here. We were legal for 2.5 days in June, and now we're legal, and no one can take that away. So that's awesome, and it feels great.
The head of the conservative Indiana Family Institute says the Supreme Court decision is disappointing, but isn't a defeat.
Certainly a setback, a delay, a dilution in what we think is right for marriage. We believe marriage is about bringing the two halves of humanity together, male and female, to bring forth new life.
Kurt Smith supported Indiana lawmakers' efforts to include a ban on gay marriage in the state's constitution. He says he's in the process of talking with members of the General Assembly to look at options for possible legislative action next year. But tonight, Senate President David Long says the effort to amend the Constitution appears to be over unless the nation's highest court reverses its decision. Governor Pence issued a statement tonight saying that he will always believe in the importance of traditional marriage. And he adds that while it is disappointing to many that the Supreme Court has chosen not to hear arguments on this important issue, under our system of government, people are free to disagree with court decisions, but we are not free to disobey them. Reporting live tonight, Katie Hines, RTV6.